Good morning, dear children. This is the third part of the same chapter, chapter number 11, rounding the number. Here I am going to start with exercise number 52. See, before we have done the round of number in 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, till crore we have done. Now, here the same we have to do, but we have to see the decimal place. Here we have to do round of numbers in decimal in nearest one. For finding in nearest one, first what we are going to see, first we see the decimal number. So decimal number is 6.3. What we have to see the nearest one place, we have to see the nearest one is which one? It is 3. So its first digit at the first decimal place, after decimal place, what is given? It is given 3. 3 is given. 3 is less than 5. 3 क्या है? 5 से कम है. So what we are going to do? We will replace each digit after decimal point by 0. हम क्या करेंगे उसको? Decimal के पहले 6 already हमारे पास वैसा है. After decimal point, we will replace the digit by 0. Why we have replaced? Because 3 is smaller than 5. Children, here there are 8 questions in which we are going to do only A to E, F, G, H, we are going to cut. Okay. First one I have done. Now second one is given 2.7. Now what we have to see? The number after the decimal digit is 0.7. Now the given number is 2.7. Its digit at one place is 7, which is more or greater than 5. Which is greater than 5. Now what we are going to do? Increase the digit at one's place. Increase the digit at one's place by 1. So 2 will be 3 and replace each digit after decimal by 0. So what will answer we will get? We will get the answer as 3.0. Less than 5 में क्या करते हैं हम? Here in one's place itself decimal के बाद वाले place को हम 0 कर देते हैं, but it is more than 5 तो we will increase the ones number before decimal. Number decimal पहले इसको increase कर देंगे by 1 and after decimal there will be 0. So 2.7, when we do the round off of 2.7, we will get the answer as 3.0. C and D mark as homework. Now I am doing question number E, 13.64. So question is 13.64. So the given decimal is 13.64. Its digit at the first decimal place will be, which is 6. 6 है. 6 क्या है बेटा? 5 से ज़्यादा है. 6 which is more than 5. So what we are going to do? We will increase the digit at one's place by 1. So 1 is ये 1 का 1 ही रहेगा. 3 का क्या हो जाएगा? 4. And after decimal the number will be 0. So the round off number we have got of 13.64 will be 14. Now question number 2. Rounding of a number correct to one decimal place or to the nearest tenth. Now we have to do the round off of nearest tenth. One is the ones, tenth and 100. So what we have to do? We have to find the number in nearest tenth digit. So the given decimal is, see children, here are 8 questions. 4 we are going to do and 4 we are going to reduce from our syllabus. Okay. A, B, C, D we are going to do. E, F, G, H will be cutting. So the given decimal place number is 3.74. Now see, what we have to see the digit at the second decimal place. The digit at the second decimal place is 4. 4 which is less than 5. जो 5 से क्या है बेटा? कम है. So what we are going to do? Replace every digit after first decimal place. Replace every digit after first decimal place means 3.7 will be same, and after first decimal place replace every digit by 0. So rounding off of 3.74 will be 3.70. Next one, 8.36. So what is given? 8.36. 8.36. So the given decimal is 8.36. So digit at the second decimal place is 6. Now 6 is greater than 5. So next step will be increase the digit at first decimal place by 1. हम 3 को see 8 will be same. increase the digit at first decimal place by 1 and replace the digit after first decimal place by 0. So what answer we have got? We have got the answer as 8.40. 8.40. Children, mark C and D as homework. Now come to question number 3rd. Question number 3rd. Rounding of a number correct to two decimal places, or we can say that to the nearest 100. Now we have to find the decimal place of nearest 100. Children, here are also 8 questions. 4 we are going to do and 4, that is A, B, C, D we are going to do, and E, F, G, H will be reduced from our syllabus. Now coming to first question, 0.706. Now which place we have to see? We have to see the third decimal place, third number of decimal place. So the given number is 0.706. 0.706. So its third decimal place is 6, which is greater than 5. जो 5 से कम है ना, sorry, greater than 5, जो 5 से ज़्यादा है. Now we are going to replace the second decimal place to increase the digit of second decimal place by 1. That means it will be 0.71 and replace the other number after second decimal place by 0. So rounding off of 7.06 will be 0.706 will be 0.710. So which place we have seen 100? We have seen the third decimal place. Third decimal place is 6, which is greater than 5. So we will increase the number at second decimal place by 1 and replace every digit after that will be 0. So answer will be 0.710. B1, 5.238. So the given decimal is 5.238. So third digit is 8. Third digit is 8. Third decimal place is 8, which is greater than 5. Now what we are going to do? We will increase the second decimal place by 1. So rest number will be same. So 5.2. Increase the second decimal place by 1. So 3 will be 4 and rest of the number will be 0. So our answer will be 5.240. Children, mark C and D as homework. Coming to fourth question. Rounding of the number correct to 3 decimal places or to the nearest 1000. Now we have to do the round off in nearest 1000. See, there are 6 questions in which we are going to reduce E and F. E and F we are going to reduce. Coming to first question, 0.7894. Now which number we have to see? The fourth number after decimal. So given number is 0.7894. Digit at the fourth decimal place is 4. Now 4 is less than 5. 4 is less than 5. Now what we are going to do? We will replace every digit after 4 decimal place by 1. Replace each digit at the 4 decimal place by 0 and onward. Okay, so rest number will be same, 0.789 and 4 will be 0. So the answer is 0.789. Next one, B1. Now B1, 2.1635. So the given decimal is 2.1635. Now digit at the 4 decimal place is 5, which is 5 itself equal to 5 itself. So what we are going to do? We will increase the third decimal place by 1. We'll increase the third decimal place by 1. So it will be 2.16. 3 plus 1 will be 4. And replace each and every digit after third decimal place by 0. So our answer will be 2.1640. Children, mark C and D as homework. Question number 5. Find the quotient correct to 2 decimal places in each of the following division sum. Here there are 6 questions in which we are going to reduce question number E and F. The first one, 2.3 divided by 9. 2.3 divided by 9. See, now 2 is smaller. We'll put 1 0 here and decimal, and we'll take both the number, that is 23. So 9 2s are 18. Subtract this, you will get 4, then 0. Then 9 5s are 45. Again subtract, again you will get 5, then put 0. 9 5s are 45. Again you will get the remainder as 5. Okay, so what quotient we have got? We have got the quotient as 0.255. We have got. After this, what we have to see? We have to convert this in round up. We have to do. So the third decimal place, the third number after decimal place is 5, which is equal to 5. You can write the digit at third decimal place. The digit at third decimal place is 5, which is equal to 5. So we will increase the digit at second decimal place by 1. So what will be 0.26 and replace the number after that digit by 0. So round off of 2.55 will be 0.260, or you can write as 0.26. In this, first you have to divide, then you have to round up the number. Second one, when we have divided 21.83 by 16, so 16 over 16, 5 remainder, brought down 8, put the point, 3s are 48, 3, then 6 are 96, then 7, 4s are 64, then 6 remainder, 4s are 48, sorry, 3s are 40, and remainder will be 12. So quotient we have got 1.3643. Now we will see the third decimal place after third place in the number after decimal. The third place is 4. Now 4 is less than 5. 4 is less than 5. Now what we are going to do? We will replace the digit at third place onward by 0. So 1.36 will be same, and we replace these digit by 0. So the answer we have got is 1.3600, or you can write as 1.36. Okay, mark C and D as homework. Now come to question number 6. Question number 6 is, express each of the following fraction as a decimal correct to third decimal place. Now we have to see the third decimal place. So when we have divided 5 by 13, we have got the quotient as 0.38646153. Now which place we are going to see? The digit at the fourth decimal place. So digit at the fourth decimal place is 6. The digit at the fourth decimal place is 6, which is greater than 5, which is greater than 5. So what we are going to do next step will be, it is greater than 5. So correct to the third decimal place, we will write as, we increase the number at third decimal place by 1, क्योंकि ये बड़ा है 5 से. So we increase the third decimal place by 1, and rest of the number will be 0. So 0.38. 4 plus 1 will be 5. Or 0000, or you can write as 0.385. Next one, B1. Next, 6 by 7. So when we divide 6 by 7, we have got the quotient as 0.85713. Now we will see the fourth decimal number after decimal. The fourth decimal number is 1, which is less than 5. Now what we are going to do? We will replace that number and after that number by 0, and rest of the number will be same. So 0.85700, or you can write as 0.87. Both the answer will be same. Children, C mark as homework, D we have cut, and E mark as homework. C and E will be as homework. Now next F1, sixth one, it is given in mixed fraction. Convert this into fraction. So 11 threes are 33 plus 4 will be 37 by 5. So when we divide 11 by 37, we have got the quotient as 3.3636. Now which place we are going to see? We will play the 4 decimal place. Then the number is 6, which is greater than 5. Which is greater than 5. Now what we are going to do? We will increase the third decimal place by 1. It will be 3.36 and 3 plus 1 will be 4, and replace the number after that by 0. So what answer we have got? 3.3640 or 3.364. Children, question number G and H will cut, and question number 7 cut it from a syllabus. Okay, we have reduced from a syllabus. So here we have finished this chapter. If you are having any doubt, go to the video once again and clear your doubts and complete your work. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.